Good morning. Somebody doesn't want to get up. Doing. Alright, good morning. So it was my 6 to 7 a.m. morning routine because for some reason I actually did struggle to get up today, and I guess that just happens. Normally I'm pretty good. But anyway, we're up. It is 7 o'clock and we are studying, and you know, we've made our bed, we've got ourselves semi-ready, we've got the coffee, that's all that matters. But I did want to share, I'm someone who's pretty not good at studying. I've never been kind of built and wired that way, so I really had to adapt a lot of mechanisms that help me sit down and get my essays done. So let me share with you what I do as a procrastinator and someone who can't focus for a long period of time. I download the Flora app, and I set it on a Pomodoro. I'm going to plant a seed, and then I will work 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off. And when I do this, that 25 minutes, I get so much done. And then I try and repeat it like 4 times, you know? And that 5-minute break is great. I make sure I get up, I go quickly make maybe, you know, a cup of tea, go to the toilet, whatever it is, come back, plant my seed, 25 minutes, go back on. So I don't know, give it a go, because there's a lot of Pomodoro methods. Like there's like 50 minutes on, something off, like, but the 25 minutes has been working for me because it sounds short, but you can get a lot done. The thing is, always get dressed and always make your bed, because it just, I don't know, you just put together. Anyway, I'm really struggling with this essay at the moment. So if you go out of your phone and onto a social media app, or just literally out of the Focus app, the Flora app, you kill a tree. So we don't want that. I haven't killed any. So let's build the oak. Let's go. Officially been 2 hours of sitting at my desk studying, which is a huge success in my eyes. And we have made some serious progress. On an assignment that I hate. Anyway, I'm feeling good. I'm literally dead set on completing this, like a full rough draft, so that then over the next few days all I would have to do is kind of condense and, you know, make sure it's all proofread, because this assignment is stupid. The word count is too low for the amount of information they want, so I'm struggling. My goal is to just finish all the parts and we'll worry about the word count on another day, because I have way too many assignments that I need to work on today and classes, and I still also want to go to the gym at some point. So we're on track. It is 9:15 and we've done 2 hours of solid essay writing. So a productive morning routine is happening and you can do it too. I've been listening to lo-fi music every time I study, so I'm also going to share the playlist that I love. But 2, heat pack. I want to be cozy. And 3, it's time for more caffeine, but a little bit more focused energy caffeine, so I'm going to make a matcha. It is 10:30. I'm going to take a break because I like basically finished that essay. There's only like one part I need to do, so I'm feeling so accomplished because that was 3.5 hours of solid study. So I decided I'm gonna eat my breakfast. This will be my first meal of the day, which will be my oats, my go-to oats. And then that will also be a great energy source for me to head to the gym. And then I can come back and study again. Alright, it is, I actually don't know what time it is, 11 o'clock. We're heading to the gym. I think it's gonna be a back day. Pretty sure I said that last vlog. But Tuesday, maybe it's always my pool day. Anyway, morning routine is going amazing. I feel like this routine just works so much better for me. Even though I love being like a morning gym person, I think my study and brain is just better in the morning. So we're doing well. We've had like consistent 4 hours of study. So now we'll hit a gym workout and come back and hopefully do another like 4 hours of study. So super productive, and I feel like switching it up around this way and utilizing my brain power in the morning has been a game changer. So let's go enjoy the gym because that is one of my favorite parts of my day. Actually beautiful outside today, which is rare for Melbourne. Winning. But my craving, boiled eggs and some soy, what are these called? Edamame. That is my post-workout fuel in a Zoom class. Finally got my desk pad, and I feel like it's the perfect color, but it was like too much white going on. Also, since the last study vlog, I have completely rearranged my room. The desk used to be over on that window, but I was just getting too much glare and I could never have it open, which I thought defeated the purpose. So I've actually tried something new and I'm upset. So. And then the desk, which has come together.